Welcome to the Data Feature channel. This is Shekhar, and in this tutorial, we are going to see how to check the null records or the missing values in each column of Spark data frame. Okay, so now for that, you can see here already we have loaded that car data set, and there are 16 columns are there. Okay, so for that, I need to import some of the functions. Um, from PySpark.sql.functions import is none, comma when, count, and column. And I want to create a null data frame here, the car data dot select, and then what I have to do. So I need to create this list comprehensions here. Okay, for C in the car data columns, and it will consider the each C. So count of when each C is none or column C is null, then you have to type column, and also we need to create a count of that particular column or missing value in that particular column. Okay, so is none or is null, these two are used to check whether the record is missing, missing value, or the null record. Okay, by using this the list comprehensions using when, count, is none, and is null, we can display. So finally, you will get the null data frame with column wise number of null records here. You can see. Yes, the engine type is three, having three null values. Engine HP is 69, like this, and rest of all are having nothing, no null values. Okay, thank you.